What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to change all the bushings of the rear suspension of the Mitsubishi Lancer. The tow arm, the camber arm, the trailing arm, this control arm right here, everything for these polyurethane bushings. Not just this one because there are different sizes. So just I'm gonna show you how I'm going to change everything. And here's the coilover. I have the video and me putting it on every coilover in here. I'm gonna leave it right here. So yes, let's begin. So now I'm going to unbolt all the bolts right here of this arm, the camber arm, the tow arm and the trailing arm, but I'm not going to take out every bolt. Just I'm gonna leave it everything loose because I'm going to begin with this arm. And I'm going to change the bushings. You just can you just can change the camber arms, the polyurethane bushing with a shop press and hydraulic press. So if you do not have one, you need to take everything to a shop that have a hydraulic press. So to take out this lower control arm, you just need to take out this bolt, this one and this one right here. But when you take out this, you need to, when you finish everything, you need to take the car for an alignment. And you can see that bolt is an angle bolt, and this arm is for the camber in here to take out the wheel like this. So yes, just take out these 3 bolts and that's it. So now with the control arm out, I'm going to change the bushings, this bushing right here and this bushing right here in the hydraulic press. And as you can see, this have this part right here. I need to put something in here because when I press this out or press the new bushing in, this is gonna try to close, and these two, and it's going to change the hole that is in the bushing. So here I have my hydraulic press, and I'm going to put this right here because I don't want this to close, this part right here to close like this. And yes, I'm not going to be able to show you how I'm gonna press and press out and press in the bushing because my tripod broke, but I already have video on how the press will work. I'm gonna leave it right here, but I'm going to try to take some shots of this. So here I have the control arm, the lower control arm with the new bushings. You can see here's the old bushing, and here also. So just and now I'm going to put this. I'm going to put the bolts, but I'm not going to tighten the bolts because that it's going to be easier for me to take out all the other camber arms and toe arms and the trailer arm. So I have the lower control arm on. You can see I put the nut, but I'm not going to tighten everything yet. And you can see here the new bushing, here and there the new bushing. And now I'm going to take out the camber arm. Is this one right here. You can see this one. You only need to take out this bolt right here and this bolt inside here, this one right here, and the control arm is going to come out. So here I have the camber arm. Now I'm going to change the bushings for a new one, and I think it's not necessary to show you again how do I use the press. So I'm gonna change it and I'm gonna show you the new bushing, the camber arm with the new bushings. So I have here the camber arm with the new bushings, you can see. Now I'm just going to put it in here, and then I'm going to take out the toe arm, this one right here. You just need to take out this bolt and the bolt that is inside here, and that's it. Okay, now as you can see I already have the camber arm here. Now I'm going to take out the toe arm. Is this one. I need to take out this bolt right here. This is an angle bolt, so you need to align the car after this, and the bolt that is in here, let me show you. Here you can see it. I think you need to take an extension from here to take out that bolt. So here I have the toe arm. I marked this area for me to know what side of this toe arm go to the wheel. So yes, I have the toe arm here. I take it out from here, and yes, I'm going to put the new bushings in. So before doing all that I'm doing here, taking arms and bushing out, you need to know that some Mitsubishi Lancer have in here to the side of the wheel, here in this part, some bushings are spherical bushings. So I know that in this arm, this one may be a spherical bushing because it's here like this. This is the side of the wheel, so this may be a spherical bushing. And this lower control arm, this one right here, also you need to check if it's spherical bearing or a normal bushing, a spherical bushing, sorry, or a normal bushing. My Lancer is, everything is normal bushing, as you can see. So I'm just replacing it with the polyurethane bushing, but the polyurethane bushing are not spherical bushings. So you need to take a look of that in your Mitsubishi Lancer. So here I have the toe arm with the new bushings, as you can see. So now I'm going to put it, and then I'm going to take out the trailing arm. So now I'm going to take out the trailing arm, but we need to take out the parking brake, the emergency brake, the e-brake of the trailing arm, and we need to take out all the brakes in here, all the brake shoes. We need to take out those brake shoes, take out this bolt, take out the bolt of the toe arm. I do not put that, and this bolt right here. Then we need to take out this little bolt right here and the bolt that is in here, and we need to take out the brake line. So you need to put new brake fluid, and yes, we need to take out this bracket right here and the brake line from here. That I'm going to use, for that I'm going to use this wrench. This is a normal wrench, like this one. It's normal, but I cut that open because it's easy for this nut right here to strip. So with this you have more points of contact, and you are not going to strip anything of here like this. So yes, this is a normal wrench, but I cut the end like that. So yes, now I'm going to take out everything, and I'm gonna show you when I have this out of the car. So I just take out the shoes, the brake shoes, and now we need to take out the brake line, sorry, the e-brake, with this little bracket right here. We need to open this bracket right here a little bit, and we need to take out this bracket to here, to this part right here, and then we can take out the brake cable. And to take out this rubber, you only need to push it, and that's it. And remember to take out the bolt, this bolt right here, and that's it. And I just take out the bracket right here now. So I just take it out, just push it, and it will come out like that. So you can see I have the trailer arm right here, and you can see this bushing is a little bit broken and right, So I'm going to change it for the polyurethane. As you can see, the brake line is dripping, so remember to put a new brake oil, brake fluid, and yes, I'm going to put the new bushing. So you can see I already changed the bushing. This bushing need to have a distance from here to the top of 1 centimeter. So yes, as you can see, and you need to put it this part right here vertical like this. And yes, you can see this is the old bushing, and these bushings are different, have different size. Sorry, this one and this one are the same, but you can see the bushing have different size. This longer side and a short side. The short side goes out the car like this, and the longer side goes into the car. This one have the same, a short side and a long side. So just now I just need to put everything, and that's it, and I need to bleed the brakes. So every bushing is on, you can see it right there, and here. So yes, so I hope you like this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.